Hey everyone, welcome to another quick dental growth hack. I'm Chris Pistorius, and today we're talking about one of the biggest mistakes I see dentists make when it comes to marketing, treating it like a light switch. You know what I mean? Things get slow, you flip the marketing switch on, you get busy, you flip it off. Then 6 months later, you wonder why your schedule's empty again. Well, here's the truth. Marketing doesn't work that way. It's not instant on, instant results. Marketing is a flywheel. It takes consistent effort to build momentum. And once it's moving, it compounds over time. But the second you stop pushing it, it slows down fast. So when you turn off your marketing, Google forgets you. Your ads lose learning data. Your organic rankings drop. Your audience gets cold again. Then when you try to restart, you're basically paying to rebuild it from scratch. That's why set it and forget it or pause or restart marketing almost always fails. You're breaking your own momentum. Here's the better mindset. Treat marketing like a gym membership. You don't get in shape by working out for 2 weeks, taking a break for 6 months, and then starting again. Trust me, I've tried. You get results from consistency. So instead of stopping marketing altogether, you really need to work on treating it like an intelligent type of activity. Shift budget towards reputation growth, reactivation, or referral systems if you need to. Keep the flywheel spinning, even if it's at a lower speed, because the practices that win long term are the ones that never stop marketing, they just evolve it. All right, that's your quick growth hack for today. If this hits home, share it with a colleague who's maybe playing the marketing stop and go right now. I promise you they'll thank you later. Thanks for listening. I'm Chris Pistorius, and I'll see you on the next Dental Growth Hack.